Okay, the other day at my work, we need to find, okay, given a date, we need to find what is the next working day. So this problem, of course, it was solved with Python, but yeah, definitely my Clojure experience helped me, right? So that's the thing. Of course, I didn't solve it, like I just guided a guy to solve it, right? So it goes, okay, and I just translated that code into Clojure, okay, right? So that's the thing, and it uses recursion. So I just import local date and the namespace is there so that I can just put an import over here. That's the thing. So it looks good. That's about it. Yeah. And okay, January 14th, 15th, 16 are holidays in my state. Okay, so that's the thing. And so yeah, it is a very big festival over here, right? So next we have this next working day function, and we just need to pass date to it. So that's the thing, right? So, what I just do is the next working date of 2020, January 5th. Okay, right. So, it just says, okay, 6th. Okay, so, yeah. Look, if 5th is there, and then, yeah, it is 6th. Okay, right. Then, what I just do is like, yeah, I just put like 14 over here, right? So, the next working day is 14, and I get 17. Maybe I can even put 13. It'll still give 17 because 14th is a holiday, right? So, in the holidays set, okay, right? So, this is the holiday set, and I can also put 13 over here, and it'll just still what to say, like say that it's 17. So how it works? Okay, look, actually the logic is simple. In Clojure, it becomes really simple, right? So it accepts a date, okay, over here, and actually, like I don't know the exact uh, why we put like this. I think it'll only allow local date, okay, right? So if I just give something like, okay, like even let's say, let me just comment all these stuff out. Okay, so uh, right. So this kind of stuff I haven't used, like putting this local date, this what to say, this caret symbol and local date or something like that. That is types I haven't done. And personally, I don't like types. So next working date is there, and then what to say, what to say, like I'm just passing something. Okay, right. So I'll just pass something and hopefully it should give me some error, right? So yeah, class exception, yeah, okay, it cannot be passed to, okay, yeah, so this will only accept local date, okay, so yeah, so that's good, right? So yeah, let this be like this. Let me just comment it. Why am I not able to comment it? Okay, so yeah, for some reason I'm unable to comment it. Yeah. So yeah. Okay, so the next working day is here. So the local date is here. So now, okay, yeah, 13th is also returning 17 and 14 is returning 17. So we'll just see how it works. Okay, so we get the date, okay, right? So maybe we get the date 13, right? So and the next day will be 14. So the plus days we are using. So this is all this from the Java local date class. Okay, so and that's the thing. So it'll become 14. Okay, right? So 14th of what to say, January, but it's still holiday for me. Okay, right? So that's the thing. And so if holiday, if it's in holiday, so in set we are just checking whether the next day is in this holiday set. Yeah, if it's a holiday, recur next day. Okay, so recur now it'll just go in as 14th. Okay, right. So that's the thing. Now it'll become 15th. Okay, still a holiday, so it'll just go in as 16th, and it's still a holiday. And okay, yeah, okay, 16th is what to say. It'll finally okay. Look, first it'll go in as 14. This will become 15. It's a holiday. Excuse me. And then it'll go in as 15. It'll become 16. It's a holiday. And then it'll go in as 16. Oh God, there is some kind of pop-up that's just blocking my mouse. Okay. And then it'll become 17 over here. Now it's not a holiday, so it won't go over here. So it'll just print an exit that is 17th. Okay, so as simple as that. So we are just checking if it's a holiday or not over here. That's it, right? So and then if it's a holiday, recur. Okay, and if it's not, just print the next day. So that's the thing. So similarly, what I've just done is like in this over here, I have holidays, okay, the very same stuff, and I have a function called holiday. Okay, so what it does is it checks whether the date pass is there in this holiday collection. Holiday collection is nothing but this one, this holidays. Okay, so it just checks whether the date pass is there in the holiday collection, or it checks whether it's weekend. Okay, so if any one is true, it is true, right? Okay, so it can be a holiday or a weekend. Okay, right. So the weekend we are defining it as it can be either Saturday or Sunday, right? So and this is how I'm checking how it's a Saturday. Okay, so I think there is a thing called day of the week. Okay, right. So but the thing is I found another way maybe like yeah, so I'm just getting day of week, and if I convert it into a string, it is saying whether it's Saturday or Sunday, right? And rather than before and all, I remember doing something and getting values from 1 to 7 or 0 to 7. I don't know, I don't remember, right? So but yeah, I felt like yeah, like this was good, and yeah, I just used it, right? So yeah. So if it's either Saturday or Sunday, like yeah, it returns true. Okay, so now holiday is nothing but okay, like it is either a holiday or declared holiday in this holiday list, which we are passing it over here, or it is a weekend. Okay, right. So that's the thing, which is being defined by these three functions. Okay, right. So that's the thing. So the next working day now becomes okay, since we are passing this collection of holidays, or actually it should be set holidays, but yeah, anyway, it's still a collection, right? So and then it's all just the same. So the next day is just one day after this, and then if it's a holiday, yeah, like if it's a holiday of next day and collections, yeah, like we are just recurring it. Otherwise, it is just next day, right? So let me just load everything, right? So load, evaluate all stuff, okay, right? And then I'll just execute it. I think this is Saturday, like yeah, 4th of January 2020 is Saturday, right? So maybe I got it over here, right? So this is my calendar, right? So so 4th of January is Saturday, so that's the thing. And 5th of January is Sunday, right? Let me just minimize this. 5th of January is Sunday, right? So, and yeah, of course, it is also a weekend. Maybe if I just put like uh 6th of January, yeah, right? So, and that's the thing. And if I give date 13, I'll just get it as okay, like yeah, holiday is false, okay, right? And maybe like if I just put next working date as third, fourth and fifth is Saturday, Sunday. I should be getting sixth. So I'm just getting it over here. And then what to say, like the next working day, I'm just putting 14. So 15, 16 is also a holiday. So I should be getting 17, right? So yeah, this is how I just extended it, and yeah, things just work really charm and closure, right? So that's the thing, right? So yeah, actually you can just keep on extending it. In holiday, since we have put or over here, maybe even more conditions. Maybe I can even pass the user map or something like that, and with that user, he can see. I think some system can inquire a database and find out or query a database and find out whether he's eligible for leave on that day or not, or something like that. And yeah, like if yes, this holiday will return true, otherwise it will return false and all this stuff, right? So that's about it. So yeah, like in Python 2, we solved it with recursion, very similar code. And yeah, like I just felt like it was good. Anyway, thanks for watching this video. Until we meet in next video. Bye.